Bonjour, assalamu alaikum.
Oh, we're going.
Yeah.
We're going. Salam alaikum.
Neme
Let's get the car.
Karachi.
Let's get the car.
Aylanan yurtlan içinin halanı haydi.
That countries have you been? Which is the best country for you?
So I've been to over 40 countries, including places like China, Faroe Islands, Colombia, Cuba, Italy, Thailand, like many countries. And honestly, we were talking about it today, me and my guide. Turkmenistan is a very respectful country, very welcoming, very proper. They have, from what I see, very good culture and very good customs. Like they dress beautifully, they're respectful. So I can't say it's my favorite, but it's easily top 3. Easily top 3.
40dan köp şäherde bol, 40dan köp ýurtda boldum diýe. Yani şu bizden kimizden guruluşyny diýaly. Türkmenistan arada guruluşdy diýe. Bärsini näme sohaladym diýe köp adamlar filan şyky diýe. Gokaç gol filan ýalar, gol garşaýarlar mehmanlar.
Yine de bir soru